Hello everyone and welcome to CADify. In this video, we are going to learn what Autodesk Inventor is, where it is used, and who should learn it. This video is especially made for beginners, so don't worry if you are new to CAD software. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what Inventor can do and why it's so useful. What is Autodesk Inventor? Autodesk Inventor is a professional 3D CAD software used for mechanical design, product design, and manufacturing. With Inventor, you can create 3D parts, assemblies, and 2D drawings. It is widely used in industries to design components like machine parts, tools, automotive components, and other industrial products. Whether you are a student or a professional, Inventor gives you the tools to bring your designs to life digitally. Why use Autodesk Inventor? One of the main strengths of Autodesk Inventor is that it is parametric. This means that if you change one dimension in your design, the entire model updates automatically. This feature saves a lot of time and helps prevent errors. Some key features of Autodesk Inventor include 3D part modeling, build detailed parts from scratch, assembly design, combine parts to create a full product, 2D technical drawings, generate engineering drawings from your 3D models, sheet metal design, design sheet metal parts easily, simulation and stress analysis, test your designs virtually before manufacturing. Because of these features, Autodesk Inventor is widely used by engineers, designers, and students all over the world. Who should learn Autodesk Inventor? Autodesk Inventor is perfect for mechanical engineering students, diploma and ITI students, beginners who want to learn CAD, professionals working in manufacturing or design fields. Even if you have never used CAD software before, you can start learning Autodesk Inventor step by step, and this channel will guide you throughout the process. What you will learn on this channel. On this channel, CADify, we will cover Autodesk Inventor basics, sketch tools and 3D modeling, assembly creation, 2D drawings, beginner-friendly tutorials explained step by step. All lessons are designed to be simple and easy to understand, so you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to CADify. In the next video, we will explore the Autodesk Inventor interface and workspace, so you can start creating your own 3D models. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.